I'm down at Thoresby and we've got Woody, and he's in the Grimmer 220 Veritron, and they are on with their 2022 potato harvest campaign. The variety is white, it's Saxon, and I think there's 10 trailer loads going out this morning. So at the front of the machine we've got what's called the shares that sit underneath. They lift the potatoes out of the bed, and that brings the soil with it, and they come up over the various webbings that are set on this Grimmer harvester, and they gently bounce up and down, and the idea of that is it removes the soil, which you can see there, puts that back down, and then they work through the machine. And they work all the way up and onto the tables above, where the team can sort them. There's a picking team inside under that cover there, and they're sorting out any stones, any bad potatoes that can be seen, and these go straight to box, Thoresby boxes, which you can see there on that trailer, and then out into the distribution network. And there we go, fantastic, nice bit of butter, chips, whatever you want to do with it. So Woody's just dropping into this run, and you might see the odd potato getting dropped out, so that's where they'll drop the stones of potatoes and they'll just get worked back into the land. So the box loader, it's got a netting and webbing on, and inside that there's another set of further cross straps, and they slow the crop down so he can lower that right down into the box, and that protects the crop when he raises it up as they come up. Now there's one of the chutes from the picking table. I'll just move round there, and that's anything that's been rejected will get dropped out of that part. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you as always on the next video.